Hi there, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a greeting card that I titled So Grateful. I'm using a paper from an Unnamed fall paper pad, and I'm also using one of my Freebie card sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. And I'm also further using the Painted Peonie stamp and die set from Concord and 9th, and the Season of Chic stamp and dies bundle from Stampin Up, and some other dies. So I'm starting by cutting the background paper to the size of my card base, and then I'm also gluing a paper strip on a piece of cardstock to give it a bit of contrast. And then so these leaves, they come from Season of Chic by Stampin Up, and then this is the stamp set that comes with dies as well from Concord and 9. So I used some dies to cut the circle and the other scalloped circle, and so I'm starting by stamping the sentiment onto that circle, and then that sentiment circle can go onto the background scalloped circle there, and then this will then be placed on the card in the center there. And then all I have to do is just arrange the little leaves that come from the Stampin' Up stamp set that also comes with some dies, so it was easy to cut out. So I'm ready to glue the strip somewhere in the center of the card, and then that circle goes on top. Again, everything is pretty much centered on this card. So it goes on top of that paper strip there, and then all I need to do is just put some embellishment there. And I decided to put some put the leaves there, but then I thought it's still a little empty there, so I decided to take a little piece of string and then tie a little bow there. So I don't think my card is ready and finished yet, so I'm taking a piece of string and I'm tying a bow, and then that will just be glued to give the false impression that these leaves are tied together, but they're really not. It's just only attached on top of the leaves there. So all I need to do is just make sure that bow really looks nice, and then it can be glued down right there. And I decided I wanted a little more glue just to make sure it really sticks well, so I'm using my toothpick to apply a little more glue. And that's my card done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.